So right now I am making my own battery interconnects. Those are the thick wires that are going to connect my batteries. I'm going to wire them in parallel. Anyways, I decided to make my own. I'm really excited to be doing this because it's such a simple thing, but it kind of makes me feel like I'm actually doing something productive. This cable actually is from the old house battery. It ran underneath the vehicle into the generator. So obviously I got rid of the generator, don't need that anymore. I unhooked everything and it kind of dawned on me, like, one of these costs like $10, and so I bought 2 different packets of the lugs here that are not focusing. I got 2 AUG for this 2 AUG wire, and I have 4 AUG that will need to go in as well. So I'm able to repurpose that old wire that was in the house battery and make it a part of the new system, and I thought that'd be a really cool thing. And you know, saves probably, I don't know, in the end it probably only saves like $10, but hey, actually probably losing money because I decided to buy some tools. So this wire crimping device here and a pair of wire cutters, I think it's a good investment. Hey, $30, whatever. These wire cutters will probably come in handy quite a bit more. And these actually might come in handy fixing things I've messed up for this project. So, yeah, so why not? So anyways, I did this one off camera, didn't film it because I was embarrassed at how it might turn out, but it's okay. Let me see. So yeah, I got it to focus, and looks pretty good, right? I think so. It's nighttime, so it's a little dark in here, sorry. Oh well. Okay, that is there. This is awkward to do on the camera here. And 3, 2. So that hopefully will not come off of there. Looks good. Looks fully crimped, if you will. I think that's actually the best one I've done. Getting pretty good at this here. Yeah, not that great, but yeah. Hey, it focused. That'll do. And then just electrical tape the base there, and a tape. And a tape around. And there you have it, one end of my new battery interconnects. So again, these are just the short lines that run between the 2 batteries. I don't know how people use this tool, but it's like almost definitely not how I'm using it. You kind of hold it like between your knees there. Let's see, there we go. Okay, first we are going to push that on a bit more. Oh, that was a... No, that's good. That is actually good. Yeah, it's not coming off of there. Nope. Not coming off of there. It's not pretty either, but it's stuck, which I think is the point, right? We got the batteries ready to be connected. I got my 4 AUG wire that will be coming from the roof. I think we should be good there, lengthwise, on those, the wires heading from my custom combiner box down to the batteries.